Hello everyone. Welcome to my first video. Today we are gonna look at the new iPhone 12 Pro, the normal one. This is the this has the amazing features. Let's dive into it. Before we unbox it, end of this video, after you watch this video, I need you to sub to my channel and okay, let's start unboxing. Okay, it's gonna be a satisfying unboxing. The box is so small, it doesn't include power brick, so you have to get your own one. Ooh, okay. Let's take out this. Oh, so cool. It has layer scanner. This is the microphone. This is telephoto, and this is wide and ultra wide. Am I correct? Please comment below. Is this correct? So the Apple logo on the original one they had over here, and the glass is made out of seamless steel. It looks cool, so cool. The color which I got is the blue, new blue color. You can see the shape wallet is inside the box. You get this thing. You get also one of these, but you don't have a power brick. This has USB-C on this and also lightning connector. And there's also one more thing. First, let me move all of this stuff. See, I have the clear case. So let me open that. There's also, okay. There's also the other one which we already boxed. See? It doesn't. It's the non-MagSafe ones. MagSafe ones. See how cool is this? I will put that. I'll put this. Okay. Wait. Am I putting on the wrong way, guys? Okay. Wait. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now. Okay. The phone is looking cool, guys. Isn't it? Are you enjoying this video? Give thumbs up to my channel. Give thumbs up to this video. Is this cool or looks bad? Let me know in the comment below. There's also one more case. It's like a leather this transparent gray thing. Let me put it. Okay. Is this good or not? Let me know in the comment below. Okay. Look, is this cool? Let me know. Okay, now let's compare the two original phones which we have. Now, let's compare them to the original iPhone XS, or you could call it XS. The screen is same. The screen is same. It looks same for you guys, but this has a 5.8 inches display. This has 6.1 inches display. So like it's it's like this much on the top screen bits. And also you can See, there's a wiggly bits because of the cameras. On the 12, it doesn't make it, but a little bit it makes it. Look at the cameras. You can see, You can see, right now we have that gray one. We have the blue one right now. You can see the Apple logo is on the center. On the original 10s, it is located on the top, and it doesn't. It feels like a little plasticine or something. Let me know in the comment below how is your experience with the iPhone 12. Okay, this is like Gorilla Glass. It shows Apple stuff and it doesn't ever show. Don't join the garbage can. It doesn't show on the 12 Pro. So a little weird. When you look at this, you can see anti-knots, I don't know, am I saying correct? It has anti stuff. These both phones also includes wireless charger. On the new model, there's like MagSafe. It's located inside. Okay, on the 10s, there is no wireless charger, but will have wireless charger. Oh wait, no. Okay, now compare the original, very old one, which is right here. The iPhone 6. The iPhone 6 is like, okay, it's kind of thin, isn't it? Okay, it's quite thin, isn't it, guys? You can also see this bits, the anti-knot, and then look at the screen. Wait. Okay, the screen inches. The screen on this one is 3.7 or 4.9 inches. So let me know I might correct it in the comment below. This has a wide camera. This has only one camera. This has a triple camera. Okay. It also has like lights. And what color do you got on this? Let me know in the comment below. What color do you got there? Okay. Before we end this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you soon.